This is a final, this is ghee filtered in this container, and this is the sediments. You should actually pick up the unsalted butter. This is salted, so most of that part is salt. That much you need to boil the butter. So you need to filter. After filtering, this is what you get. That is pure without any salty taste. It has a little bit of salt. This is the filter I used. See all these sediments? You need to take it off. That is all going to be waste. And then this is clarified butter, also known as pure cow ghee. Thank you. That's the end product. You see, I just put my yogurt in that milk, so it will become a curd by tomorrow. Bye. This is how you need to prepare at home, so you don't have to buy any adulterated or contaminated ghees and dahee, watery dahee, perugu around me. Okay, bye bye.